Welcome to our deep dive into one of nature's tiniest treasures, the amazing blueberry. We'll explore its benefits, facts, and incredible uses. These small, dark blue powerhouses are more than just a sweet treat. Let's start with a general introduction to this fascinating berry. Blueberries are known for their vibrant color and delicate, sweet tart flavor, but their true magic lies in what's inside. Often hailed as a, quote, superfood, blueberries are low in calories but incredibly high in beneficial nutrients, making them a must-have in any healthy diet. Now, let's explore the substantial health advantages that come with adding blueberries to your meals. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals. They are also an excellent source of essential vitamins, like C and K. Studies suggest that the compounds in blueberries can cross the blood-brain barrier, supporting cognitive function, memory, and even slowing age-related decline. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved heart health, including reduced blood pressure and cholesterol levels, making them a friend to your cardiovascular system. Beyond their health benefits, blueberries have a rich history and some fascinating facts. Let's learn more about where they come from. Did you know blueberries are native to North America? They thrive in acidic soil and are primarily harvested in the summer months. Indigenous peoples in North America have used blueberries for centuries, and commercial cultivation only truly began in the early 1900s, turning it into the popular fruit we know today. Ready to bring more blueberries into your life? Here are some simple, delicious ways to enjoy them. The easiest way to consume them is by adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Fresh or frozen, they are perfect for a nutritional boost. When picking, look for plump, firm berries with a deep blue color. Store them unwashed in the refrigerator and wash just before consumption to extend their shelf life. For an easy treat, try making blueberry overnight oats. Combine oats, milk, yogurt, and a handful of blueberries in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy a healthy breakfast. In summary, the blueberry is a small fruit with massive nutritional value, supporting everything from your brain to your heart. Whether you eat them fresh, frozen, or baked into a delicious treat, incorporating more blueberries into your diet is a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed learning about blueberries, please like this video, subscribe for more content, and comment below to tell us your favorite way to eat this amazing berry.